CJ all day 1130 here. How you guys doing? This is Thursday, 18th of 2013, April, and today is day one of junior senior trip. We're starting to leave as soon as we can, and we got the whole gang around here. Keith, say, yo, Keith, Mr. Jim, it's Chris, Luke, don't be camera shy, and that's Jeremy. Well, not much, but we still got the gang here. We're going to head to Daytona and Orlando. We're going to have a great time, and you're going to see a lot of stuff going on. You're going to see a lot going on. You're going to see so much footage. It's going to be the longest vlog you will ever see besides the gaming edition. Hey, shut up.
On all that.
Just remember, Chris is just like... yeah, Chris is just relaxing, bro. I mean, hey, what happens around this stays on YouTube. Alright, hey guys, we're heading out, everyone's all here, we're heading out, and it's about time you showed up.
Alright, man. Yeah, man.
Like literally, you've been, really, I know you had to take care of your brothers, but still.
You failed YouTube people.
Seriously.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm recording this and I'm putting this on YouTube, and what happens on YouTube stays on YouTube, bro.
My bad. Who even watches this?
92 subscribers. Plus 1,000 other people.
Oh, views?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Dude, my most viewed video was a freaking slideshow of the 7 Millennium items. Have you ever watched Yu-Gi-Oh?
Oh yeah. Yu-Gi-Oh?
Yeah.
I have Yu-Gi-Oh cards. You used to play that when we were young? Oh, yeah, we did. We were playing in class.
Yeah, I remember that. That was great.
Dude, I'm gonna start singing like hey Luke.
Yeah.
You guys gotta watch it.
Yeah, video, dude, isn't it nice?
Diana's mom.
Nice.
Picture this down. Anything else right here?
Yeah. My hat. Look. My hat.
Raiders,
Just whatever color matches.
Oh, okay.
I have the Bull suit and the Orlando Magic.
Oh. What is this? Yeah. Rock.
There's
I think two, yeah.
Not recording here. I'm not even. Just actually recording in the drive on the way there, so. We're on I-4, heading east. It's gonna take a while for us to get there, so you're gonna see a lot of driving. Mike's already getting ready to sleep. Jeremy's listening to his music. Four of them are chatting up. And I'm just on my laptop listening to music. So, and I'm recording too, so. It's a nice farm up there. Truck.
They had a bad turnout.
You know, I'm doing like different, I always like doing different recordings.
I'm gonna bring a lot of chicken feet.
That'll be the day that I get 100 subscribers. That looks pretty cool. What is that? That looks like an arena. It looks like they're making an arena of some sort. Are they really making a stadium?
Gladiator stand.
Huh?
Gladiator stand.
Barney's on fire. Look at that! Look at that! Look at all those buses back there. Alright, we're at exit 64. We're heading towards our destination. Yeah. We're listening to Jeff Dunham, as we heard earlier. You can hear it here. I don't know if the mic can pick it up. Yeah. But yeah, we're getting close to our destination. How close are we? Hey Key, how close are we? Yeah. Will you stop that? Yeah.
We're only a couple miles away from Nike hours.
Okay, so we're only a couple of miles away from the hotel, and as you can see, this is...
Not the hotel, we're not going there yet. 10 years since I've been there.
Oh, Old Town?
No, we're going to the Nike outlet. Old Town.
Oh yeah, the Nike outlet. Yeah, we're going to the Nike outlet in Orlando. We about in Orlando. Yeah, look at his bike. Yeah, look at his license. Yeah. Up. Parkway. I think there's a mall somewhere around here. I think I remember a mall around here.
Jody, where are you going? Down.
Oh yeah. You didn't see me. Yeah. Mike.
That it? There it is.
That's a Nike outlet?
And here we are, the Nike factory store. Or the
Hey,
Nike
that's
outlet.
me. Just do it, but I'm not black.
That's Kobe. Not yet.
So we're gonna take a stop at the Nike outlet, and then we're gonna go to our hotel. Are you sailing on there? Full of scams. This level me is a scam. Oh yeah, I actually like those souvenir coins. Yeah, really?
Yo, Mr. Jim, right here.
Hey, look at this. It's Scamo Century. It's a Scamo Central.
I have a question.
My granddaughter does too.
Scams. Full of scams. Hey, Luke. See something interesting? Oh, look at these. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Whoa! Look at these model ships.
How much are these?
Hey guys, come here. Look at these model ships.
Yeah. Do not touch.
I think this one. Oh my gosh, this one's a Titanic.
Oh, $7.99.
Hey, Mr. Jim, remember a model Titanic I told you about?
Yep.
Right there.
There it is.
There you go.
This is the airsoft section. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Wait. Metal? Oh yeah, you can tell that.
Let me see.
An iCopter, an iPod for your, and a helicopter for your iPod.
Hey.
Butterfly knives. Wait, what? Yeah, right. Sure. Hey, yeah, don't you dare wear that on me, bro.
Hey, Chris.
Hey,
Remember these?
yeah, I remember. Hey, wait, let me.
Oh, dude, they even have the guns.
Oh, cap guns. I remember these. These are like fun.
This one. Feel it.
It's heavy. I know. These are heavy. Oh yeah. Look, there's some of them that can hold these, and they are painful. Yeah, more rubber nunchucks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Shake. Look at this. Ooh, watch out there, bro.
Put it like this and it's out.
Butterfly knives. Here, Jeremy. Look at these butterfly knives.
That one's small.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, these are pretty. These are shaver knives, actually.
Yeah.
These are like shaving knives. Oh, look at these grenade lighters. Are these? Oh no, these are grenade knives. These are grenade knives.
Make something real simple for us. We're not going to do airsoft.
Switchblades, butterfly knives. Nice.
You can get airsoft when you're with your parents.
Yeah. These are nice watches. Pretty cheap
those
though.
are nothing but toys. You carry a knife? Yes.
It's a nice M4.
No knife.
No, not even a butterfly knife because they're illegal to have.
Right. I don't want you guys getting in trouble with stuff you're not.
Except for maybe a training one. You can carry a training one and a smaller blade. Kind of like the golden one right over there. The one.
I don't want you guys to go home and get in trouble with your parents. You get in trouble with your parents.
Hey, the golden butterfly knife, the second one from the bottom on this rack. I think that's legal to carry. You gotta have like a small blade, like a specific amount of inches. The nunchucks right over here. This place is just like gun and knife central. And plus cheap knockoff games things. Yeah, look at these ninja stars, the Batman knives. That's pretty cool, actually. What? You kidding? Look at all these. Oh, what? Playboy knives? These are literally Playboy knives. Yeah, the Asian kid's cool. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, that's something for me right there. That's something for me right there. The rest right there. That is awesome. We still in the mall. Flea market. Why did I say mall? Why did I say mall? It's got a nice little right here. I actually like these. These are pretty cool. These like caution. It's like Blank's room. Yeah, Sam's room, Sarah's room, Adam's room, Aaron's room. What else? That's really big. Ah, here's something for me. This is mine. Mine. I would definitely do that. And there's the I love things. So I love hunting. We're at the scene on TV store. None of this stuff ever works. None of it.
Every time, so there's no way.
That's a lie.
All your favorite brands and standard.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Everything of this is a lie. Even the mighty puppy. I've been fooled. I've seen girls wear that. I think those work. I don't know. Bro, that may be a temporary tattoo, but it looks so flippin' real. All you need are red marks all around. Hey, all you need are red marks all around that arm, and it looks like it'll be real.
I can do that too. Can you put your red around it?
Yeah.
Or I can punch you a couple times.
Yeah. Yeah, you can punch him a couple times or slap him on the arm a couple times. It looks like it'll be real.
You won't touch it for a while yet. Still.
Yeah.
So, when are you guys gonna get lunch from, please?
You want one?
The only one I want is real.
Yeah, he's got a real one.
The penalty list doesn't work.
We're heading to the McDonald's with the biggest play place ever in Orlando, exit 74. Literally, this is like huge. Look at this. Look at that.
My snake's huge.
Yeah, shut up. That is that's too sexual. No, forget that. That's too sexual. We're gonna die! Yeah, forget you. I heard it's got an arcade in there. Do not enter. Oh, I can see an arcade there.
He's gonna go sit by Ronald McDonald and take a picture.
Yeah, screw you.
Get it live. Yeah, it looks like a dinosaur. Should I cut it off?
Yeah.
Hey, Cody, look, that little kid's taking pictures too, like you. Oh, I like his mom. She's kind of nice.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Up at McDonald's and they added on. Yeah.
The world's most favorite gathering place.
Mickey D there.
They're on this too.
I remember when it was called Mickey D's. That was like back then. There's a Burger King right over there. Burger King. One player. I am pro at this game. I mean, I literally got the highest score in this one. Not that one. I do it perfect. Record this as long as you can. But we are at the Orlando McDonald's play place, and this place is loud. That one's easy. Right support this. Thank you. Get a thumbs up. Connect board. Look at all this. Alright, this is the final part. Now I'm going to sign off for today. So see you guys tomorrow, as I'm going to be uploading this tonight. Hopefully, if the internet connection doesn't suck. And trust me, his internet connection always sucks, so I don't care anymore. Late.